Have you ever tried making these rich flavored, delightful, textured gem squares at home? Hello, Sanbonani, and welcome. My name is CBO. Join me as I share this easy recipe. In a bowl, blend the butter and sugar until it's pale and creamy. Your butter should be at room temperature or softened. You may use a wooden spoon or a hand blender. I'm going to show both. A list of ingredients and more information will be in the description box below. Look at how creamy it is. At the room temperature eggs, stop as soon as it disappears, or blend each for 5 to 6 seconds with the hand blender. Add the vanilla extract or essence. Stop blending as soon as it disappears. This is done to avoid overmixing. A separate bowl is used to avoid eggshells and spoiled eggs. Sift in the flour and the baking powder. If you are new to this channel or you are a regular visitor, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Manipulate the mixture until it forms a dough, but do not exert too much pressure on it. You may use a wooden spoon instead of your hands. This is a shortbread dough or a cookie dough, a pastry dough. Once it is like this, it is ready. Set aside 1 cup of the dough in the freezer for 30 minutes, 1 hour if you're using the fridge. I froze mine. Grease the baking pan or line it with a non-stick baking paper. Make a base with the other dough. You may use your hands or a bottom of a flat object. A big shout out to my easy family, my returning subscribers. I see you. Thank you so much for your love and support. Once the dough is flat, cover it with a cling wrap and place it in the fridge. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. 160 degrees Celsius if it's conventional oven. Fill the dough with the jam of your choice. What's your favorite jam to use in this recipe? Please write your comment below. Grate the frozen dough, covering the whole surface. If and when it clamps, you will have to separate the dough pieces with your hands. Bake between 15 to 20 minutes and cool it entirely in the pan. Cut it into sizes of choice. I got 12 pieces. Look at that golden color, and the aroma was mouth-watering. I couldn't wait to taste them. Move a blunt knife around the pan to loosen the cookies. If you got value out of this video, please press the like button. below. And check my other dessert videos for more delicious ideas. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you on my next upload. Bye bye.